So what we're going to talk about in this course is how intelligent behavior can come to the web using lots of big data. In short, how to predict the future using artificial intelligence techniques and big data. We'll study a number of elements of AI technologies in this course, organized along the lines of the look, listen, learn, connect, predict, correct cycle. And briefly, looking is about finding stuff and searching. Listening is about figuring out what's important, what is not, and classifying things and clustering things together, which is all machine learning. Learning is actually about extracting knowledge and facts from data. Reasoning is about putting different pieces of information and facts together to draw further conclusions. Prediction is about mining rules and associations from data. And finally, of course, optimization is about figuring out the right thing to do given all the predictions that one could muster. We won't be talking about optimization much in this course, but we'll be talking about pretty much all the other things to a certain extent. Along the way, we'll also talk about big data technology, and I included an extra element called load, where we figure out how to harness such technology using parallel programming and MapReduce. Now, this is a fairly vast material to cover. So there's a caveat here. There's a vast amount of material to cover. This is a graduate level course. At the same time, it's not a full course. At IIT, it's a 1-credit course, and at IIIT, it's a 2-credit course, and there'll be some extra work for the IIIT students. And as I just mentioned, the range of topics is vast. While they are all closely related, that is the look, listen cycle, but it's still vast. So what we'll do is introduce each element with an example carefully in detail to give a feel for that topic without covering it in its entirety, and at the same time outline the challenges and research problems in that area so that graduate students can learn something and hopefully get pointers to areas to work on in research. Some miscellaneous items before we start. Basic programming, some SQL and data structures, understanding what it means for an algorithm to be order n or order n squared. These things I assume you know. Basic exposure to probability, statistics, and understanding what matrices and vectors are to a basic level, that also is assumed. So if you don't know any of this but are confident to figure it out, go ahead and join, but otherwise be warned. Evaluation, online quizzes, homeworks, and programming will be about 60% of the course. The final will be 40%. At IIT Delhi and IIIT, this will be an in-class, physically co-located final, but online. So they will be making arrangements for you to take this in front of computers but sitting inside a single room. For the rest of you, it will be online and at your leisure. Last but not least, the discussion forum is a very important part of this course. So please join and participate. Share your thoughts, your suggestions, your feedback, and engage in animated discussion on all topics related to the course as well as otherwise. Most importantly, please respect the honor code. In particular, it's okay to discuss homework, not to share the answers. Don't reveal the mystery's end before someone else has started reading the first page. Nobody likes that.